Hey folks, here are some pickups I just made recently. These pickups here are from the Swapmeet. I got a Atari plug and play with 10 games for $5. Came in the box. The games include Centipede, Gravitar, Adventure, Circus Atari Breakout, Roller Sports Volleyball, Missile Command, Asteroids, Jar's Revenge, and Pong. So yeah, this was $5, and it works. I already tried it out, tested it. It's pretty fun. Also for $20, I picked up this PSP. It also works. It's just missing the battery cover and the battery. But I did try it out, so it works. I'll just be replacing out the battery and the battery cover. I already got an extra charger for that from my other PSP. I got this game here, Outlaws. It's a pretty cool game from LucasArts. This one has 2 CDs, and it actually has a CD with audio tracks on it. Some pretty cool Western style music. Then at the Goodwill, I got these 3 items here. I got a NES Advantage joystick. That one was, I believe, $5.99. And I got this game here, SkyKid, for $2.99 at the Goodwill. And this other game, Top Secret episode, Golgo 13. This one was also $2.99. And then at a Pawnshop, these aren't games, but they're movies. I got the Holy Grail, Monty Python's Holy Grail for $5. So it's the special edition. And Pulp Fiction for $5 also, collector's edition. It's in pretty good shape. So that's what I picked up recently. And as soon as I have more games, more pickups, I'll post them up.